Hey, what's up guys? Check it out, 2023 Blue Collar Tour. We made it to Farmington, West Virginia. I'm super excited. We got our welding truck rolled out. We're getting ready to weld with the boys and girls here. Let's go get it. Let's go build America.
BCT! BCT! BCT!
Who's the best welder here? You? Okay, come on up here, buddy. Okay, buddy. Dom, I want you to look at that space. And what I do is I sight down both sides. Which one is bigger, which one's smaller, or are they the same?
Maybe it's tipping a little this way.
It's a little bit tighter right there, right? Yeah. So I'm gonna tap it right here. What do you think, Dom?
That's pretty good.
Pretty good right there. Okay. All right, fire and hold.
Blue collar trades are important because without them, push it all the way up, 98 to 100% of what we see and what we use in the world wouldn't be here at our disposal to do. Skilled trades truly drives our country. It is what builds everything that we use, and without it, really, there's nobody around to keep the world actually running and producing the supplies we need. In my opinion, if you're not passionate about what you do, it's a job, and you're going to have to actually put effort into it. If you are passionate, truly passionate about what you're doing, then you're going to get up every day. You're going to feel fortunate because you get to go do what you love and earn money at it. But then also, you're going to try your very hardest if you are truly passionate. And that's what we see out of most of our students.
We get to meet teachers all across the country. And really those teachers, those are the people that are really having a massive impact on your guys' life with the influence that they have in teaching you work ethic and accountability, integrity. You know, these are traits that will serve you very well, but they're not something that you just either have or you don't have. It's something that is taught to you. And I want to give it up for Jeremy here. This dude is crushing it. So everybody give it up for Jeremy. This is a token of our appreciation.
Oh, man.
Right there.
Awesome. Thank you again, Tyler.
Absolutely.
Certainly
Absolutely.
appreciate it.
Oh,
Give it up one more time for Mr. Takachi and Mr. Cunningham.
What's up, guys? We're just wrapping up. We had a great day. Kids loved it. We loved it. They fed us lunch. It was an awesome time. Now it's time to load this here trailer up and head towards Ohio.
Hey, what's up guys? Check it out, Tyler Sasse here, Western Welding Academy. We're on the 2023 Blue Collar Tour. We're here in West Virginia. We had a great day. These people are incredible. The hospitality was amazing. But the biggest thing I want to bring to you is let's build America.